I should have done that, right? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited to unbox a Rocksbox with you guys. Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month. I absolutely love Rocksbox because they have a bunch of name brands such as Kendra Scott and other ones that I can't think of off the top of my head, but they're great. And what's great about it is that you can literally choose what jewelry you get in your box and then they'll send it to you. And how it works is you basically create a style profile on the Rocksbox website and you kind of choose your preferences. When you sign up, you can also add some items to your top 10, I think. And then a stylist will choose from your top 10 and basically create a little box for you. And I believe it's 3 pieces a month. And that $21 goes toward your purchase of any jewelry you decide to keep. Whatever you do not keep, you do have to return. So keep the envelope that the Rocksbox actually comes in, which is not, there's like an actual envelope, and then you can send it back. But anyway, I'm excited to see what's in here. I mean, I know what's in here because I chose it, but like I kind of forgot because it's been sitting here for quite a few weeks. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and let's get into it. So like I said, this is the Rocksbox. It comes in a little cardboard box, which by the way is a great quality box. It does also come with a little pamphlet that tells you a little bit about what they recommend for jewelry care. Anyway, the pieces always come in pouches like this. So the first piece is my Kendra Scott earrings. I think it's these earrings. I really wanted these, so I picked them. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So these are the Kendra Scott Baroque Ella drop earrings and they are $78. Kendra Scott's an expensive brand, but what I love about Rocksbox is that you get discounts on name brand jewelry. So if I wanted to buy these now, I would actually get a little bit of a discount, plus my $21 will go toward it. And I think I'm gonna keep these because I love them so much, but I'm gonna try them on even though it kind of doesn't match my look today. Very green goldy kind of thing. I mean, I like that they're gold. Oh my, I love this. I love this so much. I love teal. Teal's probably my favorite color. This is such a stunning earring. Oh my gosh, I just love Kendra Scott. Let's try these on before I need to shut up. You can just tell the quality in this. Honestly, it's so heavy, but not in a bad way. Like, I don't think it's gonna weigh down my ears either. I love earrings like this so much. It's totally my style. They're so pricey though, but I definitely want to keep these. If you do decide to sign up for Rocksbox and you use my code, it'll get you your first month for a discount. I forget what the discount is, but it'll be less than $21. I love these so much. Actually, when my mom came for Christmas, we went to a little boutique in downtown Alexandria and there were earrings really similar to this from Kendra Scott in that boutique, and she almost bought me them, but then she saw the price and I was like, no mom, it's okay, like you don't have to buy them for me because they were pricey, but I love them so much. So pretty, right? So pretty, right? They're such a statement piece. Like, I feel like you can wear them with a really fancy outfit or just even like dress them down. I'm so excited. I love them so much. And they don't feel too heavy. Like they feel quality, but they don't feel like heavy on the earlobes, which is amazing. I'm keeping them on even though it doesn't match right now, but whatever. So that one was from Kendra Scott. She's definitely one of my favorite jewelry designers. Like, seriously, I love her stuff. Next we have, okay, what's this one? It came in a little Rocksbox pouch. It is the necklace. This is the Aster Dahlia layered necklace. I love layered necklaces. Like, I think they're very in. This one's $46. I did want to mention that a lot of people in my past Rocksbox videos have said that they want to sign up, but they're like a little bit worried about the sanitation processes because if you don't want, like, if I didn't like these, I would send them back, right? And I did already put them in my ears, and like a lot of times I'm sure people buy, like, they do Rocksbox to like kind of rent the jewelry and then send it back when they're done with it. I've honestly kept every single piece I've ever gotten from Rocksbox. I've never returned it. I mean, I can't say that that's gonna be the same thing from everybody, but you know, they wouldn't be in business if they were not practicing the proper hygiene in order to be able to send these to other people. So just keep that in mind. Like, they're a company that has been doing this for a while. I have had Rocksbox for maybe, when was it, 2017 when I moved to California. Yeah, since 2017, that's when I started getting Rocksbox, and I've never had any issues. So honestly, I love this so much. There's like some faux pearls. I don't think they're real pearls. Let me find out. So the metal is gold over brass. The chain is a 16-inch chain and 18, so the shorter chain is 16 inches and the longer chain is 18 inches. And I don't think they're real pearls, to be honest. It says holds pearl charms. I'm pretty sure they're like faux pearls, but they're still really pretty. I think that layering is so in right now, so I wanted something like this on purpose. I don't think it's gonna match the neckline of this shirt, but I'm still gonna put it on. Guys, I'm so excited that I'm finally like able to put on necklaces even with these nails. Like seriously, this is really pretty. I think this is one that's a little fancy for my liking, like for on a daily basis. Like ignore this, I get so red when I even just touch my chest. I don't understand. I do like it though, and I think I'm gonna keep it. I love layered necklaces, and I actually realized I don't have many gold necklaces, so I needed one. So yeah, I mix metals anyway. I mean, like I picked these because I think they'll match. Okay, and then the last, oh, I should have opened these first. This is from Dusk, and these are the Dusk, what are they called? The Dusk Cleo stud pack. So I realized that I need studs for my second piercing. Like it almost closed because I haven't been putting on a piercing there, and I got these because I thought they would match the other earrings, and they're also gold, and I just love anything like celestial, sunshine, like whatever. These are $55. It's 14 karat gold plated earrings, black studs with textured sun rays, and circular turquoise studs with white gold crystal rays. Okay, so which one should I think I'm gonna put these? Oh, if you look up close, I don't think you guys can see that. There's like little sunshine stems coming out of the black. Took off the other earrings so you guys could see like up close and personal. I think it's really cute. I love it for my second piercing, and this is what they both look like on. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them together. And I think even this other, like the blue, like really matches the blue. I should have done that, right? But it's okay because I'm gonna keep the second piercing on for the rest of the day for sure, because I need some jewelry today. I'm obsessed with with everything I got. Like I'm keeping everything. It's like you're picking things that you know you like, so there's like a really high probability that you will not return anything to begin with, so there's no need to worry about the sanitation processes. So I mean, they wouldn't be in business. I'm just saying. So if I wanted to buy this entire set, the subtotal would be $170, which is a lot, but it's because these Kendra Scott earrings are very pricey. But they're actually having a sale right now. If you're a member and you want to buy from your set, you get $20 off. I have a forever credit of $70 and then the monthly credit of $21. So I would actually just pay $60 and that's it. So definitely gonna be picking these up when I can. And I love these because you get like pieces that you know you like. So I love getting Rocksbox so much. I do these every few months. I don't do them every single month. So like I don't really get the boxes every single month because I think that that's just way too much jewelry. I kind of just do it whenever I feel like it, which is amazing. That's what I love about Rocksbox. You can kind of pause your membership if you want to too. So I don't know, I just love it. I love it so much. I love this entire set. I think everything looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I personally think that the Kendra Scott earrings are my favorite for sure. And yeah, let me know if you subscribe to Rocksbox, and if not, I will have my discount code here if you're interested in getting your first month. I don't know if it's free or discounted. I forget every single time. I'm sorry, but it'll be a discount of some sort, I promise. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm not sure why the dogs are barking so intensely. I'm looking outside in the ring and there's nobody there. What are they barking at? Ghosts? Like, I don't get it. Basically, so it comes... Oh, this... Nah, I haven't had this since December, have I? Oh my god, I hope not. It says Merry. Like, it took me back to the holidays.